5 seconds. Start. The plaintiffs have filed the present suit against the defendants for the relief of specific performance of contract with consequential reliefs in respect of suit property. Full point. Brief facts of the plaintiff's case are as follows. Full point. Next para. A. It is pleaded that the suit property is an agriculture landed property measuring 39 gunta out of 15 acres, 16 guntas bearing RS number 6/1, which situated at Solapur village in Mattur Taluk and bounded as described in the schedule. Full point. Next para. B. The deceased Balasaheb Balu Nemanna was owner of the suit property. Full point. The deceased Balasaheb during his lifetime, was in financial difficulties for his family necessities in general, and he has required to repay loan. Full point. Hence, he offered to sell the suit property to the plaintiffs, and the plaintiffs accepted The same, full point. After discussion, he agreed to sell the suit property to the plaintiffs for consideration of rupees 30,000. The plaintiffs and further agreed to receive remaining amount of rupees 3,000 at the time of registration of sale deed, full point. And accordingly a registered agreement without possession is executed on 30/8/2011. It is further agreed to execute the sale deed within period of 3 months from the date of agreement of sale, full point.